What is the smallest possible area of the triangle that is cut off by the first quadrant and whose hypotenuse is tangent to the parabola y equals 4 minus x squared at some point, we'll call it P. So I drew this right over here. We have a vertex at 0, 4. We have this point P and then 4 minus P squared. We need to find the smallest area of the triangle in the first quadrant. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to have some equation for this line over here. It's going to be y minus 4 minus p squared equals and then we need to find the slope over here. Well, if this is the function, then the slope of it is just the derivative, which is negative 2x. And so at point P, the slope is negative 2p. So y minus 4 minus p squared equals minus 2p times x minus p. We can say y equals, and now it's going to be just some quick math over here. Look at how smart I am. Look at that. So now we have y equals minus 2px plus p squared plus 4. And now here we can find the x and y intercept. So this is when y is 0. I'm just going to say and then over here we have y equals minus 2p times 0 plus p squared plus 4. That means y equals p squared plus 4. So this over here, this is the x-intercept. It would be p squared plus 4 over 2p comma 0. And then this right here would be 0 comma p squared plus 4. If that's easy to see. Oh, this point right here was over here when I drew the 0, 4. Now we just found out the intercepts, and so the area is going to be those intercepts divided by 2, because this right here is this right here is a square, a rectangle. It's going to be this length times this length divided by 2. So the area is going to equal p squared plus 4 divided by 2p times p squared plus 4 times 1/2. And now you can simplify this. You see I have those 2 halves on the bottom times, and then I'm going ahead and I'm just assuming that you're amazing at your mental math and you're following all of this. Okay, and now I can simplify this even further into 1/4 p to the third plus 2p plus 4 over p, which is 4p to the minus 1. And so now, since we know that we're trying to find the place where the area is the smallest, its derivative is going to be 0. I'm going to say 0 equals, and then I'm going to take its derivative. I'm just going to go way ahead. skip a bunch of steps with you guys because this right here is just some basic algebra, and my phone's on low percent. Skipping a bunch of steps over here. You originally find it in this form and then you can put it over here, because that all means that 0 equals 3p to the 4th plus 8p squared minus 16. Okay, and now you can solve for p squared using the quadratic formula. Negative b plus minus square root of b squared times minus 4ac divided by 2a. And solving this, you get p equals 2 over root 3, or some imaginary number, so this is going to be our only solution. Now we can plug this into our area formula over here, and I'm just going to show you what it looks like, and this is just algebra, so I'm going to skip that step too. It's going to be 1/4, 2 over 3 cubed plus 2 over cube 3 plus 4 over 2 over root 3. Skipping a whole lot of steps, we get that's equal to 32 root 3 over 9, which is our answer. Thank you much for watching, and goodbye.